Travis Delay, gonna be the 33, got himself a good looking Cadillac. Another good looking Cadillac. 15, Devin Groenveld, 22 hours from Alberta, coming here today. Daryl Ewing, driving the 00, got himself a Ford. Team Overkill, 284. Jordan Brinkman got himself a Ford. Number 11, driving a 62 Imperial. Tanner Duffy. Number 19, got a good looking Ford. Ryan, driving the 19. Team Overkill. Team Not For Hire. Team Overkill. These are 3 on 3. We're going down to the last guy running on their team. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, green flag. We're going to be doing some work at the track. I was told Team Not For Hire was your winner. We're going to bring some guys out here and get that thing smoothed out. 33K, Jeff Goldenhauser. 66K, Mike Goldenhauser got himself a good looking Ford. Cody Newth driving the 726. Got himself a good looking Ford. Jonathan Lundgren driving the number 30. Team RPM. Got himself a good looking Ford station wagon. 717. Nick Sepp driving the 717. They're telling me the old Ford Travis Wiener not going to make it out here tonight. All right, heat number 2. Help me count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, green flag. right where they want him. Team RPM. 717, Nick Stump, putting the hurt on the 33. Team RPM. Next up, driving a 717.